basically just need to put them in. Oh shit. Fuck. So, what I've done here, reason why that one won't go in properly is because it's missing its inner bearing here. If you look over here, it's got a bearing there. Need to put that on. Bit of a disaster. It just fell off onto the floor. That's broken plastic. This is a bit that's just come off. That's really annoying. Lots of broken bits. Oh, what a nightmare. I mean, you know, I'm just gonna have to glue those parts back on. Because I can't reprint this whole part because that is completely glued in and stuck down and painted and all these things. So yeah, that's a bit of a ball ache, but there you go, that's the first setback. The damage isn't that bad, I suppose. It's bits like this on this side, that's completely gone. So I got the piece here. I'm gonna have to sort of just glue that back in place. Annoyingly, the hull is made of PETG, so I can't do any like acetone welding. I can just use glue, and I'll just use a lot of it. Yeah, the biggest bit of damage is the back here. This whole back plate has come off. The glue failed, obviously. So yeah, I just need to. Oh my god, not having a good day. Yeah, need to slide that back and somehow get that to, you know, not be like that. I might have to like clamp it and just force it in. I suppose it looks like some battle damage now, so it's not a perfect tank. Another plate under here that's come off. I think, let me just take that off carefully and put that back in there. I think the rest of it is alright. Oh, the suspension's good. Yeah. Don't leave a massive heavy plastic tank hanging off the table because it will break, but that's not too bad. I expected it to be more damaged than that. So yeah, I'll crack on. I'm currently sat on the floor of my garage holding this plate on. Gap is still there. What are you going to do? Everything lines up where it should. So yeah, don't know why the gap's still there. But there you go. Annoying. Lesson learned. Don't lean this off the table thing. What I might do is just get some bits of wood just to stick the chassis on, so it's not always on the weight of the wheels, or the weight of it's not on the wheels. There you go, you can see the wheels. I was going to do a cool video about putting all the wheels and stuff on. You know I did at the beginning. There you go, this is the wheels. You can see in there these little black bits. They're ready to do the suspension stuff. But yeah, you know, this is what happens, isn't it? Do little projects like this and it goes wrong and things fall off and yeah, you smash things into little blue pieces on the floor. The reason why it's blue, I've seen why it's blue in earlier videos, but the plastic I used was blue. And I had a bit of it, so I was like, keep it consistent, build the rest of the chassis blue, and then just paint the whole thing. So yeah, it's kind of, yeah, gives it a cool, weird look to it, but there you go. Anyway, that's the end of that video today, I think. See you next time. Bye.